myself, Professor PK Mishra, now Professor of Emergency Medicine and Anesthesia at Ashwini Hospital. When I was HOD at SC Medical College, Sobhan was my student, and actually I infused pain in his mind when I brought a pain relieving machine from Jodhpur, and after that he has never looked back. And this importance of the pain I felt only when after my retirement I went for a pain training under Dr. Gautam Das, where he also went and took a training and went other places. He did his international fellowship. And now I feel, yes, this pain, I have gone to many medical colleges and I find there are pain clinics. In Odisha this is lacking, and his effort is definitely praiseworthy, and I fully support his effort, and I think it should grow and people should understand, and his effort is noteworthy, and God bless Sobhan.